Hi everyone, it's Lauren. If you have noticed, I have several videos on how to put an outfit together and feel comfortable and feel that you have the right outfit on for the occasion. This video is about how to put the most comfortable... Oh, hi my sweetheart. I love you too. Yes, I know, I can see and hear you. Do I need to pick you up? Yes, I do. Okay. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, beauty. Yeah. Do you need to tell everyone what do you put on when you go outside? When it's hot, I go hide under the gardenia plants. And then mommy has to come and get me. Or would you be comfortable if I put you down? I love you. Go down for just a second, okay? I'll be done in 5 minutes. All right, and this video is about how to put an outfit on that would be comfortable. It will protect you from sun, the insects, and you won't have water all over your feet and your shoes and your socks. Just something comfortable that you can even run out after that and go take care of errands, which I have in the past. So usually what I do is I make sure that I don't get any of those shirts or outfits that have like sun protection in the fabric. I just wear layers. I start with maybe a little tank top and a shirt with long sleeves. And usually I start my day very early, so I won't have to fight the insects and the sun and even the humidity. Most of my gardening is done in mid-spring till the end of the spring, and maybe early summer, just to make sure everything is feeling right with the soil, with the pots, and I don't have to make any changes. But the outfit is usually to protect my feet. I have gloves that I wear and also a hat. And my makeup usually has sun protection in it, so it's like SPF 5 or 10. And if it's a very, very sunny day, I put some on my arms. So I'm going to show you a few things that I usually wear when I'm outside gardening. Is that okay with you, my princess? And she's always with me. She sits right next to me, my little Princess Ray Kitty, and watches me. And if it's too hot, she goes hides under the gardenias or she hides under a tree, right? Yes, she does. All right. I'm going to show you a few outfits. Maybe you would say quietly. You would? Do you want to go out? No, you can't go out, babe, because I can't watch you. When we are done, I'll let you go out, okay? I love you too. Okay. We start in a minute. I love you. Say bye. I love you too. All right, I decided to move everything to the floor, so when my little princess shows up, she'll be comfortable. She wouldn't be mad. I don't have to pick her up each time she enters the room. Right, sweetie? Now she's quiet and she's moved away. That's okay. All right, I can still show you everything from here. Okay, to make sure that you're comfortable, usually when I am actually gardening, like digging a hole, putting a plant inside, or moving pots around, I wear long pants and I have a tank top, a t-shirt, or a longer shirt over it, just to protect myself in case I get scratched or in case I have to sit down. I have the pads that you usually put your knees on so you feel comfortable, but what happens is you're constantly moving around as you're gardening. So you just run out of time and patience moving everything with you. So if I have to kneel down, sit on the ground, I don't have to worry about scratching myself. So I'm usually wearing pants that are at least up to my ankles, so I know I'm protected. Then when it comes to shirts, just layering up. It's cold usually, and then when I am running around doing things, I feel warm, sun is coming out, or it might be even starting to rain, then I have several layers. So if that layer gets dirty, I have another layer on. And I usually do that and have them close by in case, like if I get into some bees or some mosquitoes, I'm also protected, and I put my shirt on or I have it wrapped around me. And that has happened a lot, that I am inside the trees and bushes cleaning them up, especially azaleas. After spring, azaleas get a lot of flowers and petals and old leaves collected under them, and if you're in there cleaning things out, you can like start up the bees or the mosquitoes or even termites, and that can be a problem, especially ants. And I have come across garden snakes or other types, so I'm usually very, very careful when it comes to going and cleaning up. And I never think this, I was here, I know there's a azalea bush, there's a gardenia bush, I'm going to be okay, because things are constantly changing in your garden and animals are coming and going, and you just have to make sure that you don't get in any kind of trouble. I try to wear my gloves. I'm very, very conscious of that, just not to hurt my hands, my skin, my nails. But every now and then I get into things and I'm just using my own hands. So when it comes to spring and summer, my hands usually look just terrible. But I come home. If I'm not taking a bath right away, I soak them. I just fill up the sink with warm water. I put some soap in there and I just soak my hands for a long time, for a few minutes. And then I dry them and I put moisturizer on right away. So moisturizer is always handy, and also my sunscreen. I put some on my hands, and if I get warm, I spray myself with sunscreen just to make sure. And don't usually put very lotions or even a perfume, any kind of perfume before you go into your garden, because you might attract bees and flies, which you don't need to. Okay, like I said, I wear long pants at least up to my ankle, and then I have either my sandals when I'm watering, and also I have my gardening boots on when I am out there and actually gardening, putting things in the ground or putting things in the pots. So for ankle pants, I usually have, I think this is a Zilla workout pants, a yoga pants with a zipper on the side. So I wear this because if I have to jump in the car and go do something, or I have run out of time and I have to go to carpool, I at least look like I have some kind of clothes on that would be presentable. And I have done that a lot. All of a sudden I noticed that my time has run out and I have to be somewhere, and I just look okay. So my pants are usually something like a workout pants, or like something that I will wear even walking. So they're comfortable and they're stylish. So these are Zilla pants. And then I have my shorts. They are up to my knees. So if I have to put something over it, I don't look like I am underdressed. I still look nice. I just have a t-shirt on with a long sleeve, and I can wrap that on me. And again, something I can go grocery shopping, to the school, and I will look just fine. So these are J. Crew Bermuda shorts in 2 colors. And I just have these on one shelf, especially this time of the year, spring and summertime. I have them close by so I can just put them on and run and do what I need to do outside and be ready. Yes, baby. You sweetie. Yeah. Okay, for shirts, I have colorful tanks that goes with the long sleeves, or a t-shirt. When I start gardening, it's usually kind of chilly. Mornings are like mid-50s, so it is cold, but I love to be out there early so I can plant things. If I notice something is not doing well, I can pull them out. So I go in there early looking at everything. And if I need to go out and buy things, I can always go later in the day when it's much warmer. So in the mornings it's chilly, so layering up, I have a cute little gray tank. I have a khaki shirts and a white t-shirt. So everything goes together. It's either khaki colors or pinks and beige, so I will look okay. And even if I get dirt on them, it doesn't look that bad, or mud. And I really don't mind gardening when it is rainy. It's the best time. It's so much easier to dig holes in the ground when it's cold, when it's rainy. Okay, here's the Oxford shirts. They are long sleeves and wide enough so you can pull it all the way up. That's what usually I do. And one more t-shirt. And if I need to, I can just wrap this either around me as a shirt if I have things on my shirt, or I can wrap it around me if I have shorts on and I just don't feel comfortable walking in a place with shorts on. This looks nice and it gives me another layer. And I have them in several colors, and again, they're all on one side of the closet, so I can just pull them up and based on what the weather is, layer up with long sleeves, tanks or t-shirts, or all three of them, because you never know. Always a hat, and this sits right by the door, and I even have one outside just in case I'm inside and I forget my hat. I always have one outside that I can grab and go. Like I said, you get so into, I know how it is, if you're a gardener, you know this, you get so into gardening that, you know, you have muddy hands and you touch it on your hat or on your shirts, and you're constantly trying to make yourself look comfortable and dust yourself or wipe your hands. And if you don't wear your hat, you kind of not giving yourself enough protection. Even if it's cloudy, you need to have your hat on, because you even have flies and mosquitoes flying around, and this keeps your hair nice, clean, and the sun out of your face. I have my boots, which I wear constantly, especially if I'm going to parts of the yard that really needs cleaning and raking. So this is safe. When it gets warm, absolutely the boots. I'm not sure what is out there, if it's, you know, crawling snakes or other animals. So I am comfortable and I don't get water in my feet or on my socks. And when I'm just watering the plants and I'm just looking around, I wear my Tiva sandals. They're comfortable, they give me enough support. And another thing, you don't realize how much you walk when you're outside gardening. Even if it's just steps back and forth. When you come home and you finally sit down, you realize, oh, my feet are killing me. Make sure you're wearing things that are very comfortable. If you can wear socks, if you're just doing like porch gardening, perfect. Wear the socks, put some lotion on your feet, wear the socks, and wear your sandals or your boots. But make sure that your feet are comfortable, because you're going to feel it coming dinner time. And I always carry my phone with me, just because I might go further away from the house. I will never hear my phone if I leave it in the house. So I usually have a little thing like this. The one that I use is really not good looking. It's got mud all over it. But something similar to this, just wrap it around you or have it coming across, making sure that you have your phone with you. Just, you know, if something even happens, you have your phone, and if someone wants to get in touch with you, you know, you just feel comfortable. And I love to have my phone because I also take many photos and videos of my garden, and I post them on House Resort YouTube channel or the Instagram that we have, just keeping with all the growth in the garden, all the changes, all the birds and beautiful animals that come through the garden. I hope you enjoyed this video. I love doing videos that I share my ideas and the things I do. I have been doing this for many years, so there are a lot of things that I have learned by you know, doing things the wrong way, and then I think that's the best way to learn things and remember them. But things that keep you active and make you feel like you have added to your surrounding, to your house, to your garden, is always number one for me. And if I get something new that I think I can share it, I'll love to put it on a video and share it with you. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have already subscribed. I see you soon. And I don't hear Ray. Sweetheart, are you there? Are you there? She's happy. Maybe she's taking a nap. That's what I like to do. Thank you so much for watching. I see you soon. Some color. Next to the Cosmo. I think it has pink, yellow, and orange flowers. Beautiful. There.